For the continuation of my part 1 vlog, to those who don't know about the Balay Dako, here are some details or information I will share. Asbago City, my hometown, celebrating the 126th year of Al Cinco de Noviembre, Balay Dako do the open house for the visitors to witness the rich history of the house. Balay Dako is a historic ancestral house built in the 19th century. It's renowned for its stunning architecture with a classic Filipino-Spanish design. This is owned by Don Vicente Dignadisi, a sugar baron. Its culture showcases the region's sugar industry heritage. And up to now, as we enter the house for the first time, I'm amazed with its well-preserved furnishings and decors. Balay Dako is a testament to Negros Occidental's rich cultural legacy. We are doing selfies every corner of the house with my son. He is my photographer, not good at all, but carry naman, basta makapag-picture lang. Meron kaming baon pag uwi namin, at least, diba? Being in Balay Dako makes me back in the old times in Spanish era. Sa panahon ng mga mayayaman talaga noon, 'di nawawala ang piano. Siguro dahil 'yun lang ang libangan nila sa kanilang bahay. Ang piano isa din 'yan sa musikong instrumento na gusto ko magkaroon at patugtugin. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung bahay kasi sa tagal na niya na-maintain pa rin siya, matibay ang mga materyales na ginamit. 'Pag mga ancestral house nga naman 'pag 'di din iningatan at binabantayan, mabubulok din, parang yung nakatira nakakalimutan na rin, lalo na kung may ambag sa ating kasaysayan. At diyan nagtatapos ang aking vlog. Salamat!